In Blackpool, father and son, the Hastings team, they're both called Steve for convenience, are on their way to clear a blocked drain. Like Blackpool Rock, they have humour running right through them.
I'm passionate about poo. As you can see on my number plates, turd, and the other one, POO. I'm number 1 for number 2s, and unfortunately, Stephen is number 2 for number 1s, but he'll get there.
In this game, let's be honest, you've got to have a nose for it.
Oh, that is humming.
Oh, nice.
That absolutely stinks.
Sweet corn.
I see it every day in that form. I can't eat it, son. That and red peppers. And now we're looking at peas.
Couple of peas.
I'm going to end up with no veg on my plate.
And the cause of the blockage, the usual suspects.
And all it is, it's just toilet wipes, face wipes and baby wipes and stuff like that, really.
The drain will need to be jetted with a high-pressure hose.
That's ready to go.
It's very important that Steve places the jet far enough down the drain. With Steve Senior manning the controls, can Steve Junior take the pressure?
That's what happens when the jet comes out. You get plastered.
Stephen getting splashed is always good news, trust me. I love it. You've got yourself a tan.
It doesn't smell like them sun creams.
It's worth his wages on a Friday, just to see his face.
Just keep working it.
Oh, there she goes. There she goes.
The scene's over. Time to remove the makeup.
As you just seen, I've just been plastered from head to toe in human, and I mean human, poo-poo.
But a distinct lack of applause from Dad.
It's so soft. Hardcore. Softcore. That's what I've got to put up with day in and day out.
The blockage may be cleared, but Steve likes to be thorough.
We're just going to check the manhole at the bottom to see if the water's running freely. If not, then obviously it's still blocked.
Have you seen the crust on this? No wonder it keeps occurring.
There's the
Look
problem.
at the state.
Oh, whoops. They've found the main cause of the problem. The scene isn't over. Back in Blackpool, Steve and Steve have put behind them the little problem of the high-pressure jet. Now, the blockage at the front.
Basically, there's just layers and layers and layers of sewage building up, and then it just backs up. So once all this is cleared down, hopefully that will relieve some of the pressure.
With Steve Senior fully in control of the jetter, there's a fair chance of success. There are times when Dad really does know best.
And that's released everything, and job's done.
Steve Junior is happy to admit that things are looking up.
I do love my job. It's outdoors. Most of the time it's fresh air. It's just not nice when you're getting covered head to toe in human poo.
According to Dad, Steve is a very lucky lad.
What a great opportunity I'm giving him. I wish I'd have had it when I was a kid, but I didn't. You know, I had to graft. And he smiles, look, he's smiling. You're here to work.
I'm working, you're the one stood in the corner with no gloves on.
P45.
One of them.
You'll see tomorrow.
It's all about teamwork and good advertising.
Number 1 for number 2s. Come on, son, let's get to the next one.